Starting a business and need to attract investors, need to tell your story in a new, inspiring way? Then you need a pitch deck, one of the most popular tools for startups today. A pitch deck is a slideshow designed to convince investors to join in your journey. Not only are these popular, they're expected in 2022. In this screencast, I'm going to show you how to quickly make great pitch decks with PowerPoint PPT templates. Pitch deck PowerPoint templates are the perfect way to build your own slides, and the best place to find them is Envato Elements. Elements is a resource for creatives with an offer that you just can't beat: unlimited downloads. That's right, for a flat monthly rate, you can download and use as many pitch deck PowerPoint designs as you want. And that's not all. Elements also includes stock photos, music, fonts, and much more. These design assets all work to enhance your pitch deck designs. For this tutorial, I'm going to use the elegant Pitchwork PowerPoint pitch deck template from Envato Elements. This one includes over 100 unique slides that you can customize easily. I have it downloaded and open in PowerPoint, and I'll scroll through some of the layouts as you're seeing me do here. When you're building a pitch deck, you're often in a time crunch. It's crucial to use a pre-built theme like this to save time and wow your audience. Remember, this may be the most important presentation your company's ever given. First and foremost, you need to introduce your team. This builds a personal connection between your team and potential investors. Slide 19 here in the deck is a perfect place for it. To start, I'll delete these image placeholders here at the top. As I work, I can then fill in the names of my team and a brief description of their roles in the firm. Then it's time to add the images. Professional headshots are a key part of your intro slide. To add these, I'll browse to an image file stored on my computer. I'll drag it over the slide here and drop it into place. Jumping forward, I've repeated this step to build out the full team intro slide. Let's move on to slide number 14 here. Your next task is to describe the problem that exists. Remember, any business idea is meant to solve a problem and fill a need. To build a winning pitch deck, you need to clearly define the problem. Be specific and use as much data as you can. I'm going to use these concentric circles here to outline various markets for the problem at hand. These work well to describe the size of the market that you're trying to capture. This can convert into your potential revenue, showing an investor the opportunity at hand. Again, I'll just add my own custom text and jump forward to the end here to preview the finished result. It's easy to customize thanks to a pre-built template like this one. Remember, shape your problem like an opportunity. You're seeking investments in your solution. You have to inspire and prove that you can do it. This is a good time to revisit our Envato Elements offer. As a subscriber, you also have access to thousands of custom fonts. These help you style your text in unforgettable ways, and you can add them to your favorite pitch deck templates. Browse the vast library and download your favorites today. Now it's time to outline your solution to the problem that you've just explained. There are two key parts of this. You need to show how you're different and why you're the right team to do it. You have to explain why your solution works where others have failed. And you need to show your team is better positioned to solve the problem than those who came before. Slide 85 here is a good choice, and you'll see that it has a device mockup. We'll use it to explain our solution, a mobile app to help people invest easily. The screen on the phone is another image placeholder like we used on the first slide. I'll drag and drop a preview image onto the screen, and you can watch it fall into place here. Then the text can be customized as we've done on the prior slides. Flashing forward once again, let's preview the finished result of our solution slide. Solutions are key. Details are essential. On slide 24 here in the deck, it's time to get specific. Remember, you're asking investors for their money. A solution needs to be explained in detail in order to maintain their interest. Here, I'll show several key steps in my product development and how they fit together in a linear way. These help show exactly how you'll solve the problem by using the product that you're offering. Last but not least is your ask slide, which we'll build out on slide 10. Your pitch is designed to ask for action from your audience, typically investors. You need to make your intentions clear. After all, how can investors help you meet your goals when they don't know what those goals are? In this case, I'll build out a slide asking for funding in exchange for a share of the company. Investors pool money in many cases, and you'll notice that I've recognized others that are already on board. As you can see, it's easy to build pitch deck PowerPoint designs. These help you attract and win over investors to support your startup and its vision. That's all thanks to the power of premium PPT templates from Envato Elements. Browse the vast library of templates and content and download your favorites today. It's the best resource for creatives in 2022, and you can't afford to miss out. Before you go, don't forget to like this video, and then subscribe to our Envato Tuts Plus YouTube channel. There, you'll find more helpful tutorials just like this. Plus, there are courses, content roundups to show off templates, and so much more. I'm Andrew Childress for Envato Tuts Plus, and thanks so much for joining me.